We're expecting luxury property at a fair price. But this hotel is way too south. Is Mandalay Bay a great choice for a vacant stay? Today we will rate Mandalay Bay's check-in process. I heard MGM has changed it.
MGM Resorts reportedly shutting down in-person concierge.
We did book their cheapest room, but I am sad to find out that it's even cheaper today. Later on, I'll share with you how much we paid for our room, food, and amenities. By the way, it's my mom's birthday soon. So we're looking for a gift for her before we leave. Stay till the end because we will bet $100 to see if we will win a delicious dinner or we will drink our sorrows away. Now, what do we get my mom? And off we go.
A little history here. Mandalay Bay opened in 1999 from the former Hacienda Hotel Casino. Then they were acquired by MGM in 2005. So we're gonna expect a lot of tropical romanticism today. We arrived here before 12 noon and as you can see, it's not so busy around this time.
Hello. Hi. Good morning. I'm checking in.
Yeah.
Can I request for a higher floor?
A higher floor?
Yes.
This guy just started
All right.
I just started this
When?
I've been training for like a month. This is like the first week I'm like by myself.
Oh,
I still
whoa.
don't know like everything.
Congrats. Thank you. Whoa. And $56.69 is the resort fee.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That's good. They didn't charge me for early check-in fee and they also didn't charge me for checking in person.
5 stars! Mandalay Bay has 2 buildings. One is a 3-star hotel, which is the main building, and the other one is a 4-star hotel. It's the W, and we were placed there for some reason. Did you bring this because you know there's no refrigerator inside the room?
Let's go with
Iowa,
Ooh.
Florida.
California.
We chose the W because it's close to the convention hall, but it's quieter and nicer.
It's so dark. What the heck? I have a question. How come it's so dark over there?
But if you on the lower floor, it's dark.
Why?
I don't know. I think when Delano had it, maybe.
Now let's go to our room. It's heavy. A little hallway here, and it's not fit check mirror, so it must be okay. I see it. Wow. The back of this one is your shower with marble. They smelled perfect, not too strong. The other side is the lavatory. Fit check all you want. There's his and hers, but more like mine and bathtub in the middle. This smells really good. That was nice. Let's check out our bedroom. Oops, it's almost the size of our bathroom. It's a really comfortable chair, but where are the outlets? It's time to do a bed check. I like it. It's not so bouncy. They could be king pillows. I'm not sure. What do you think? I like hugging it. By the way, these outlets are not working too.
There's a his and hers cabinet, and this one, I don't know why they put this hangers like this way because it was hard getting my clothes. This is the other side.
They gave slippers too. Ice bucket right there, no refrigerator. The charging ports here are not working. By the way, I also requested for the strip view. What do we have here? Hi neighbors, you got the airport and then Luxor, Excalibur, and then MGM Grand and the rest of the strip. Yes, we need the tram later, and as I promised, here's the total price of our room. Give me an outlet on my work desk and I'll give you 5 stars. I'm hungry and this property is way south of the strip.
Our plan is to eat something affordable. A lot of sit-down restaurants are still closed and they open around 5 p.m. Thank goodness Mandalay Bay has a food court and so we're going there right now. Looks fancy, but is it affordable? Let's check out the price. Yep, sandwiches right there, pizza, salad, drinks, desserts. Sandwiches are around $15. There's noodle shop right here. Let's check out the price. Lo mein, $30, but I think it's for share. Sea Breeze Cafe here, only available from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sandwiches are in the $20 range. A little bit more expensive than Citizens. Border Grill sounds good because it's Mexican and you have the view of the pool. If you want something quick, here it is. The tacos are like about $10, $11 and the burritos are about $13 to $16. I want brisket.
Brisket?
Yeah. Brisket
You want
Lover.
a bowl, burrito, or taco salad?
Brisket lover. What's sugar-free?
The Diet Pepsi, water. I mean, that's beer. So.
Holy smoke, soda water there is $7. But I'm craving for something fizzy, so we're having an Olipop. Mom paid for this drink because she gave us a Starbucks gift card. And now we are having our brisket. Brisket right here. Yum. It goes deep. The guacamole right here, the salsa right here, and some beans. We get our protein, our carbs, and fiber. Overall, this is good. We spent about less than $30. There's a good variety of food here with great value. 5 stars! Will our resort's fee be worth it? I don't know, but nobody really checked my room key. Here's where they check the room key and also what you have in your bags. Cute! There's a mini store here.
No, pineapple.
Attention! Due to high temperatures, sand and pool deck may be hot. Ah, it's pretty hot, yeah. Whoa! That's fun. Ah! Oh no, it's windy. Do I just walk down? I just walked down, okay. It was awkward at first. Can you actually ride the wave here?
You could body surf it.
Body surf, but don't ride it. Yeah, okay. It's like shallow.
It's 6 feet.
Not bad.
It's not a really big wave.
It's not, yeah. Probably not safe to hit the ground. So when is the wave?
Every like 60 to 90 seconds.
You see it building over there? Ooh, okay, okay. Ah, it's fun. Here it is. Whoa, okay. Ah! Wait, you've been here for 4 days now?
Yeah,
What?
took us a minute.
Oh my god! Ah! It's cold?
No, well, this is kind of what it was at first when I first got in.
Okay.
Yeah, but
It's perfect
it's
now.
nice after you get in.
There's a little bit of ripple over there. I don't know if you could see that. That's pretty cool. Do you rent the day beds here or all the red ones are for rent?
Yeah, and the white one.
Do you see how far I have to walk to? I'm already satisfied hanging out here, but there's more to see. I need to get off this sand on my body first. Lazy River, here we come. What is that you're drinking?
Alcohol.
When you say Malibu water, what is that?
Malibu rum.
Ooh, that's so healthy. You taught me something today. It's 85 degrees in Vegas now. Oh, there's a little jacuzzi here. Let's try it. It has massage factor. Oh wow, I love the birds. There's another long pool here and it goes on a curve. Where is that lazy river? I haven't found it. The last time I experienced lazy river was in MGM Grand and they did have a fee for the floaties and I brought my own floaty to save the fee. This time I didn't bring any floaty at all. You know why? Because there are many floaties lying around. That's what I noticed in MGM Grand. But I must say the Mandalay River is not so packed. So I don't know if I could borrow any. But anyways, I'm willing to go with the flow. If you have a cabana, they give you floaties?
Yeah.
Yeah, you bought them?
Yeah.
Oh, they're for sale here?
Yeah.
Oh, how much is it?
$30. Go for it.
Thank you.
Gonna give this a go.
It's time for 10,000 steps. I'm a little bit injured. Actually, we already have 12,000 steps. You know why? Because I keep forgetting things in my room. But I still have the energy to go around. I want to see more things here. Ooh, this is their spa area. It looks nice and smells good. I wonder how big is their gym. All right, not bad. Free water, you got fizzy here and still. Didn't really like the color theme there, but if you're working out, the focus is on your strength. Aim high. Anti-gravity. Okay. Let's make Michael Jackson do it. I wanna check it out. Okay. House of Blues right here with live music. What do you show here at the arena?
Basketball games, boxing events.
Right here is the walk to the stadium. It says 3-minute walk from Google Maps. Ooh, and they have a happy hour. $8 select cocktails and food specials. Wow, I could have eaten here. Right here are the shops. I didn't know Mandalay Bay has its little mall. I'm excited to find out what's here. We should get my mom a gift. My mom always tells me not to eat ice cream. Now I know why. Here's the -5 experience. Push to enter. I thought it was just a little mall, but there's a lot of things that can be found here. You don't have to go anywhere to go shopping. Now, unless you want high brand, right? Yes. Gold Rush? What chocolate do you like? Oh my god. There's something nice here. Yes, way rosé. Think she will like this? I kind of like it. Another Mexican restaurant. Wahlburgers are always good. See, their burger is only $15. This is Slice of Vegas. These are good prices for slices. But let's see if it's good. The size is not that bad either, although I think it needs to be heated up. It's been here for a while. This looks like a mom shop. See? They're interested. This one, yeah. I thought it's like 10 grand or something. This one's 10 grand? Damn, how am I gonna get that home? It's so nice over here. After being here for 30 minutes, I think we found the perfect gift for mom. Birthday tree. Should I write something down?
You can write something in there, but
Okay.
there's already like
She's gonna do a ceremonial over it, so it's gonna be lucky. Mission accomplished! I can't believe we just walked in Luxor. That was quick. I actually need to withdraw from an ATM and I forgot my card. They don't have my ATM back here, so I have to take the tram towards MGM Grand. Google said 4th floor of M&M World. Just bring a bit of cash and you'll be alright. 5 stars! It's that time where we bet $100 to see if we will have delicious dinner or we will drink our sorrows away. Ooh, this looks like Space Invaders. The tables are busy tonight. I saw mostly $25 for blackjack, and then poker has $15, and I also saw $50 bets. Should we do Dragon Link? Ooh! You guys are doing so good! Buffalo! It's their huge sports book. I love these chairs. Yes! It worked! Your magic worked! Power play! Or we could just start drinking now. High limit slots here. How about a Game of Thrones? Woo! Well, I haven't played poker in a while, so I think $100 will go to poker. If we win, we will have Orla by Michael Mina, or we will have Karama by Wolfgang Puck. Deal. Uh-oh. We're betting 25 cents to keep this, this, and this for flush. Deal. We didn't. Deal. Ooh, yes. Let's go. Not bad. We have pair. Oh, 2 pair. Yes. Deal. We have a pair here. Deal. 2 pair. Let's see. A flush. We got it. We're back. 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 or 8, right? Let's go! Oh well, bet up. Okay, I think this is not bad. Okay, return to game. I don't know why we're back here. See pace, bet up, we're up. Turn to game. Why is it here? I think we'll play better here. I'm gonna change to Deuce Wild. Yes, we're keeping the wild, keeping this, this, and this. I think this will win. Ooh, yeah! We won $8. That's good. Now we're talking. Woo! Okay, we won a little bit. Deal again. Okay, we're setting 25 hands now. Yes, yes. Let's go. This is a win. Ooh! I'm sure this is a win. Yes, it is a win. Let's make it a $50 bet. Ooh, this is scary. Okay, deal. Ooh, we got it. We got it. We got it. Is this dinner or is this dinner? Let's go. Wow. Okay. How much are we winning? How much are we winning? Ooh, oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. 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 We won, guys. I think this thing gave us luck. What's for dinner? This will be my first Michael Mina restaurant.
Guys, what? Yeah.